Welcome to ExpressTime Solutions tutorials. Today I would like to share with you Exceptions Quick Edit and how it can benefit you and your business. When you log into ExpressTime Data Manager, go under Customers, Exceptions Quick Edit. And when you come to the Exceptions Quick Edit, you're able to put in a date range. Today, I want to look back 1 week from today, and I'm going to look through the 7th, and I'm going to look at all employees, all buildings, all companies, areas, and divisions. You can narrow this down if you're looking for a specific building or employers or so. You can do that right here. I'm going to look for all, and I hit the search button. On this bar right across the middle, I'm able to go in here, and that's all the schedules that had an exception in them. That is everything that happened during that week that was outside the norm of a schedule. These people obviously did not show up. If I want to look at partial services, these are people who clocked in but did not clock out during that date range. I'm able to click on the partials tab right up here in the top left, and this will give me each employee what their actual begin time was, but they never clocked out. I can make that adjustment here by clicking on the time, and I can make that adjustment and post it, and it will also fix that in the building, and they're cleaned up each day. I would recommend that each morning you would have somebody come in and look at the day before and run this report and be able to fix any times, so that way the day of payroll, everybody's time is up to date and is put into the system. You also can look at scheduled no-shows. These are people who did not show up for their job last night, or maybe they forgot to clock in. You can also do the same adjustment at this point by doing the scheduled no-shows and be able to add in their times right here as appropriate. Short time work, excessive time work, drive time, excessive drive time, overlapping services, GPS out of range if they tried to clock in outside of range on their mobile application. You also have personal time and non-paid time off. And then you also have unscheduled services. All of these tabs can be very useful for you to be able to maintain and manage your business each and every day.